Welcome to this Combat Airsoft Milsim game. You join me and my sniper buddy. We're flanking a checkpoint as the rest of our squad hit it head on.
Yeah, we're now over in the mangroves. Two of us made it over here.
Our squad are now assaulting the checkpoint. We'll be offering some long-range assistance.
Got two pushing right, Foxy, two pushing right. It looks like we have Blue 4 on that area now.
Yeah, I can't confirm there's running on that track.
Yeah, Ethan, if you're with them, just let them know that you've got two snipers over in the right hand side in the mangroves, not to shoot.
Yeah, copy that.
The militant team offered little resistance and the checkpoint is now ours. We now move on to our main objective.
Be tough manoeuvring through here.
At this milsim, the only way to identify players is by their camouflage. My team, Task Force, are predominantly using multicam and tan-based colours.
Foxy, mangroves, my 12.
Okay.
Still one there.
Come on. Left side of mangrove, you want them on track? Two. There was two in these trees, like a Ghillie and a non-player, top player. I just took the top player down, but we haven't seen Ghillie go away.
An enemy Ghillie sniper has been spotted in this area, and he's possibly gone to ground. We have information that something big is about to go down in this area. The plan is to rendezvous with the rest of our squad and then try and gather more intel on what the evil militant team have up their sleeves. We've almost arrived at the location and the rest of our squad is now joining us.
Foxy on our rear.
One of the lads spots movement behind us.
Something dead in there, that's just done. Is that a false call on enemy?
False alarm, it was just a hare. And there's our Ghillie sniper we were warned about earlier, and yeah, you guessed it, I haven't spotted him.
Hit! Blue medic! Blue medic!
Okay, I've got eyes on.
Lucky for me, my squad soon spot him and take him out.
Well played, man, well played.
Two of them approach with caution and come over to medic me.
Yeah, it was just him, yeah. I believe anyway.
I thought that was you.
I tuck my medic bandage into my sleeve so my ghillie suit can continue to do its work. Before anyone in the comments cries, it's just a medic bandage and not a team identification band. One of the lads has dispatched a suspicious lone militant player.
He looks very green to me.
He then takes him as his prisoner.
I cuffed him with his own handcuffs. Alright, turn around, don't go.
The non-Ghillie squad members take the captured militant player back to the HQ to extract more intel from him. Myself and the Grey Fox plan on staying in the area to see what other excitement comes our way. And it's not long before more enemies stumble upon us.
Oh, come through here, come through here. Couple. Oh, there's several. Can't outrun my BBs. Still one left. I believe so, yeah. He's peeled off to the right hand side.
Okay.
Oh, I might just head on the outskirts of the mangroves again just to look over this way.
New intel, HVT will be in the area imminently for an arms deal. Eliminate HVT, I repeat, eliminate HVT.
Enemies on top of the mangrove. Top of the mangrove.
More of the militant team are approaching our location fast. Lucky for us, they haven't spotted us.
Still three on the fence side, now coming, now pushing forward.
Foxy takes out two, leaving one left, and he's dancing behind this tree stump. Got him.
Squad down, enemy squad down.
There's more militant forces here than we can deal with, and the HVT is escaping in a vehicle.
They're following in behind it as well now.
We head deeper into the forest on our search for the arms dealer's vehicle, and we stumble upon more of the militant team.
You lads still with me? If he was medics, I think he was, yeah. Oh, that's going to be a hell of a shot through that. sublime. A little bit nervous. What's going on behind me? All right, lads.
Oh mate, you were well in. Movement there. You see that? Yeah. These are yours, right?
We've found the vehicle and task force eliminate the arms dealer and his associates. We move in to secure the area.
I thought you were going to drive it then, Foxy.
What?
I thought you were going to start driving it then.
Just for content. Don't worry, you don't need the vehicle, we just need the arms dealer.
Brat.
If you want to see just how quiet Airsoft's biggest suppressor is, then check out the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.
Who was it?